Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, last working day of the week. It's today Friday, May the 26th, 2023. We have here in this daily newspaper two regular puzzles. Yes, Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. Yeah, the Sudoku Heavy back again. Yes, back again because a couple weeks the publisher has not published the Sudoku Heavy. How heavy? Well, we will see. But in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. All right, the extra puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 0 stars. Then we have Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Sudoku. And we have also a Tectonic with 1 star. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all today. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me solve these 2 regular puzzles first. In the evening I will do the 4 puzzles in additional. Not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. What's happening? What's happening with my tripod? What's happening? Apologies. Alright. First one, Sudoku Light, number 6492. 6492. I hope you are not scared by me with the tripod. Number 6492. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. 34 printed digits. Cannot believe this. It's getting more. It should be easier than the 1-star puzzle in the additional. Yeah, for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one. 30 minutes or 12 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, sorry, the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. How about the 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright, now. Let me see. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Alright. Then. How about the number? Let me see. 1 number left in the middle column. 1 number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Right. Then. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the third row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a number 5. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this row should be there. 5. Okay, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, the 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 1, alright. Okay. 7, 8. Come on. 7. 5 and the 2, yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, a 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mother. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mother. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mother. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe 13 or 12 minutes. Yeah, 34 printed digits. A lot. Publisher, make it not too easy. Because we need to think. Yeah, the exercise is to think. To have a solution. Yeah, solution. Alright, but it's Sudoku Light. We'll see with the other puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. So, see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye-bye for now.